Introducing Nambucca Boat Shed and Cafe. A Leasehold Riverside cafe, tackle shop and boat hire complex, Nambucca Heads, New South Wales. If you're searching for a true lifestyle business, this is it. The Nambucca Boat Shed and Cafe will tick all your boxes. This is a well-established long-term business. The cafe has been successfully operating more than 15 years and the tackle shop more than 30 years. Nambucca Boat Shed and Cafe sits right on the riverbank in the beautiful coastal town of Nambucca Heads, about 30 minutes from Coffs Harbour. One end of the complex houses an upmarket cafe serving sensational food and locally roasted coffee. The other end houses the only tackle shop in the area. Boasting a prime location directly on the river, the complex attracts a broad range of customers all year round. Built on Crown and with ample parking, the cafe and tackle shop is popular with locals, tourists and outdoor enthusiasts. The tackle shop sells an extensive range of fishing gear plus boat, kayak and stand-up paddleboard hire. There's been a tackle shop successfully operating on the site for over 30 years, so there's no shortage of customers. Be your own boss in this relaxed lifestyle investment that would suit a couple or family. The business runs a very successful members discount scheme with an impressive database and the potential to grow. With the boat ramp nearby, free Wi-Fi, wheelchair access and pet-friendly grassed areas, the Nambucca Boat Shed and Cafe has something for everyone. This very impressive investment will not only deliver a solid income plus growth potential, but the perfect excuse to make that sea change to beautiful Nambucca Heads.